What's up, guys? Today I got a Champion generator in the garage. Generator is a 4,000 watt unit, so it's only a 224 cc motor, and it shouldn't pull over very hard. But my buddy brought it to me and said it's pulling over extremely mean. I don't know what's going on with it. So first thing I did was just pull the air box off and squirt a little start fluid in the carburetor. And if you could pull it over without dragging it across the driveway, it was terrible. So the simple fix for this is vapor locked. All I had to do was just pull out the spark plug and pull it over 2-3 times. But unfortunately, it wasn't just that simple. So let's get this recoil back together. The good moment of truth. I'm happy that's all that was. Quick, cheap, easy repair. It's time for me to go clean up the shop and get out of here.